Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. Today's video is going to be a cook with me, and it's not actually cooking because it's all fresh fruit, and I am making a fresh fruit salad from scratch. I've picked up some beautiful strawberries. They are gorgeous, and I'm going to add grapes and lots of other stuff as well. So come on in, and let's make a fresh fruit salad. So guys, you know me, first things first. So I had to wash all of the fresh fruit in the vinegar wash. And so the strawberries were first. Aren't they huge? I got these at Walmart and they weren't expensive either. They're not as sweet as they will be, I guess, later on in the season, but they are good. And they're huge. So everything got a fresh vinegar wash. And so now I'm going to start chopping everything up and putting it all together. And yes, that's not vodka in that bottle. That's what I have my vinegar in now. When I did a refresh in my laundry area, I thought of that after I had done the video. So I haven't labeled it yet, but I will. So, yeah. Now I'm doing the strawberries. Next, I'll do the grapes. I'm also adding oranges, fresh oranges, apples, and I will do my pineapple from the can. And I think, yeah, that's the only thing that's coming out of a can. Everything else is fresh. Now, while I'm at the fruit station, Hubs is at the table and he's cutting up vegetables. We're doing our food prep for next week. And so he's doing that for me because we bought a lot of produce at the store today. So we were trying to get it all prepped and put in the refrigerator. And also, I'm cleaning my refrigerator, which will not be shown in this video, but will be in another video. So that's going on behind the scenes. And I'm also cooking dinner as well. I'm making a fresh pot of spaghetti sauce. So there's a lot going on. But for this video, we're going to make this salad. So watch what I do and let me know what you think. And let me know how you make your fresh salads too, your fruit salads for the summer. You know, summer's upon us and all those good recipes are welcomed. So let me know how you do yours as well. I did not add any coconut. I did not add any marshmallows because Hubs doesn't like those, but I kind of do. But I didn't add any this time. But I also like to add that as well when I make a fresh fruit salad. But anyway, we're going to go with just fruit today. I'm not adding any sugar. It's all going to be hopefully healthy except for the natural sugars. So let's make this salad.
Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for you if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are coming, funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often, loving you has left me weak. But let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? I don't get like this, but I kinda miss your attention. Did I mention? Can I dance for you? You, would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool?
Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Through the magic of video, I was able to fast forward and get this done really quickly, but it actually took a little time to do all that chopping and cutting, but I think it's well worth it. It's really, really tasty. And if you don't want it just unsweetened, you could always add some whipped cream to your bowl of fresh fruit, or you could add a little sugar to your mixture, but I didn't do that. Not to say I won't add a little whipped cream later on. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it reminded you that you can just go to your fresh produce and make a meal. That's what we are doing today. So if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome. We're so glad you're here. I hope that you will enjoy the stay. Just stick around. We're going to be doing some fun things here. We cook, we clean, we shop, we organize. We DIY, we upcycle, we do a little bit of it all because this is a lifestyle channel and our goal is to inspire you to live a comfy and cozy lifestyle on a budget. If you're one of my ride or dies, let me say that I love you, I love you, I love you, and I'm so grateful for you being here. Thank you for going on this journey with me. I am just utterly grateful. And if you're not a member of our community, tap that subscribe button. And once you subscribe, also hit the little bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. You'll be glad you did, and we'll be glad you're here. So guys, with that said, I'm going to leave you the way that I do, with love, with hugs, with blessings. And I also want to ask you to be safe and to be well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.